Hi, I'm Priya and welcome to my channel Gokulashtami, where I share delicious, easy to make vegetarian and vegan recipes. The recipe I'm making today is a classic South Indian dessert and it's called Aval Kesari. Aval means poha or beaten rice and kesari is basically a sweet pudding. This recipe is made with basic ingredients and it comes together pretty quickly. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients that you will need to make Aval Kesari. You'll need about 1 cup of poha. You can use thick or thin poha. You can also use red rice poha here. Half to 3/4 cup of sugar. I have used white granulated sugar here, but you can use any other variety. Just remember, if you use brown sugar or jaggery, the color of the kesari will change accordingly. You'll need 1 cup of water. You'll need 1 cup of whole milk. Some substitutions are you can either use low-fat milk, or if you are vegan then you can use almond milk or oat milk. You can also skip adding milk altogether, just double up the water quantity. 2 tablespoons of ghee, but if you are vegan you can also make vegan ghee. I do have the recipe for vegan ghee on the blog. I will leave the link in the description box below so you can check it out. Some sliced almonds for garnish, some saffron strands for garnish, and orange food color. So heat a non-stick pan on medium flame and to this add the poha followed by water. You can use room temperature water. It need not be hot or warm, and add milk. Now give it all a mix. Add a pinch of orange food color. You don't need to add too much, just a pinch. And cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes till it kind of thickens and comes together. Don't forget to scrape the sides as well so that it evenly gets cooked. So you can make this dessert for any occasion, any festival. We normally make this on Janmashtami or Gokulashtami, where we celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna. And poha or aval is considered to be very auspicious for this day because it's his favorite food. So we try to include recipes made with this particular ingredient on his birthday. That is why Aval Kesari is really popular choice to make during Janmashtami. So now you can see that the mixture is thickened up. To this we'll be adding the sugar. Continue to cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes till it thickens up. Keep stirring and don't forget to scrape the sides of the pan. So now you can see how thick it's become, and it's also not sticking to the bottom of the pan that much. So we'll continue to cook this for another minute and then we'll add the ghee. So now you can see how beautifully it's come together and it's reached the consistency we want. Now to this I will be adding ghee and just quickly mix it together and cook it for another minute. So at this stage, if you want to add some more flavor, you can also add cardamom powder, about 1/4 or 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder, or you can also add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So as you can see that now Aval Kesari is done, and I'll turn off the gas and we'll plate it. So now for the final touch, just garnish it with some sliced almonds and also some saffron strands. Make and serve this delicious dessert for your next party or for any other festive occasion. And of course, this Aval Kesari is just perfect for Janmashtami or Gokulashtami. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and will give it a try. If you do, then don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family. And also subscribe to my channel Gokulashtami. Thank you.